We're on the run up to autumn and winter now, so let's go through 6 basic checks to make sure that our system is ready for the upcoming heating season. At the front of the unit, we need to make sure that it's clear so it's got plenty of room to breathe. So if there is any plants here, they need to be low level or trimmed back so we have at least a meter's airflow in front. Around the back of the unit, it's always good to check the evaporator. Make sure we pick out any leaves, bits of debris that may be caught in here. And we can also give it a good brush down to make sure it's nice and clean, get the most efficiency out of it as possible. So the final check outside is pipework coming off the back of the heat pump, making sure that the insulation is sealed properly and hasn't started to grade in. As we can see here, this stuff is falling apart and it's not the right stuff anyway, so we're going to get this swapped out for something much more suitable. Next, let's have a look at bleeding the radiators and towel rails. So grab your air vent key, like so, into the top. You can hear the air coming out of it. And as soon as the water comes out, we're done. Grab a little cloth, give it a wipe down, job done. It's exactly the same for the radiators. Air vent key, open. As soon as the water comes out, it's full and the air has come out. Next, we need to check the system pressure. So this should be between 1 and 2 bar, nominally 1.5. So if your pressure is a little low, like this is with the black needle, we need to open the fill loop this end and this end, and the pressure will start to increase. Let's get it up to about 1.5 bar, then close that tap and close that tap. Job done. Finally, we need to have a go at running the heating up. So if you're using your Vaillant control, you need to go into menus, control, down to heating or zone 1. Change mode from off into manual. Now we need to set a heating demand. So turn the temperature up, make sure things are working. If you're using a third-party control, such as a heat miser, all we need to do is push the up arrow. Depending on what one you're using then, it's either A or tick. We have a flame icon to show that there's a heat demand now. It's also worth noting that both of these require batteries. So we can see here, battery gauge there, showing this one's nearly out of batteries, so we'll replace these. Takes 4 AA batteries in the back of this. You just pop it off with those little tabs by there. Likewise, with the heat miser one, it's a little tray underneath. This one takes 2 AAA batteries even. And there you go. Basic checks to perform before winter.